You say, hey guys, we're unboxing my big cell phone. Woohoo! Da-da-da-da. Can you guess? Can you guess? Iyo, tama. Malay mo.
Para mo,
It's a tablet.
parcel sa bagong kulang.
You want it to be a surprise. Okay, you cover your eyes. You cover your eyes, love. Can you shut your mouth, mommy? You're not part of this video. Here we go. Can you count first? Can you count? There's another, what? There's another plastic wrap. You cover your eyes again. This is from Daddy. You say, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. You make sure to stick with Daddy when Daddy calls, okay? What do we have? Da-da-da-da. You close your eyes. Can you not? Shut your mouth. Woohoo! We have big cell phone, everyone. That's like bubbles. That's your pasalubong for Boboy because Boboy can't use it. Woohoo! Can you do this like this? Unboxing.
Pero na yung galing Miggy.
This is from who? This is from who, love? And then you like pull this. Pull this, love. Oh no, it's the other way.
Ayusin mo, dahil ka mo nakakayos sa video.
Ayoko, it's not my... Woohoo! And then the other one. And you pull this one also. Woohoo! Look at that face! The greedy face! Hold on, love. Baka matapon, love. Tita first. Ooh! You do like this again. That's like... Eh, Mommy, don't do that! There we go, the big cell phone. You pull this one off, like. Woohoo!
Nagbari sa ano.
Woohoo! Wow!
Mami pala niya.
Hey! Hey!
This.
Careful, love. You press this one. You press this hard, long. Oh, long, love, longer. You hold it until you see like a picture in the screen. You see a picture now? Can you look at the screen? Meron na? Why is it not? You're not pressing it the right way. Tita na lang daw.
Ano sabihin mo kay Daddy?
What did you say?
Ano sabi
Daddy,
mo kay
thank
Daddy?
you. You say, Daddy, thank you. You know what? We forgot to like purchase the case.
Oh my God!
This is no noise, but majority of this will be for mommy. You just borrow that from mommy. Yeah, hey. Oh, you let it open and then.
Uy!
Hey, someone's getting big cell phone today.
TikTok.
That's not TikTok, love. I'm on vacation. You
Ano
know,
ka extra?
what do you mean extra?
It's a bubble.
Wala.
Mga tita.
And we also forgot to buy pen. Tita has big cell phone also. Woohoo! Yes,
Nag-upgrade ka na rin device dahil.
No.
O paano?
Yeah, I know. You got big cell phone now.
Ito po niya. Para magbigay ko
Dapat
kayo.
may bakal kita sa ano.
Ano ito?
Yung...
Surprise! It looks like her!
iPhone!
What?
Bring your current iPhone or iPad near you to sign in.
Yun mo kasi hindi mo binigyan?
O siya, nagbili ka yan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Where- ah? Nakakonect ka ba sa Wi-Fi namin?
Daing.
Halata.
Wait lang, we have to connect it to